Our tracks on the beat.
Up in New York City, I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris. Good morning. Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain podcast. Each and every day, I bring you some of the exciting news that is happening within the Web3 crypto tech space. Excuse me. So today, on our show today, we will be discussing Monday's Spotlight guest. I had the pleasure of having a great conversation with Mike from Empire DAO. We're going to definitely talk about that. Where is Bitcoin going? Buys for 2025 bull market, which is our bull market and what you plan on seeing in the future. Streaming leads to prison. Stream farming leads to prison. FBX lied to get out of prison. Gun shooting robots. Yeah, I know how I hate these robots. And Cybertruck resale market. Yes, you officially tuned into the place to be, Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I am your host, Abby Harris. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, March 22nd. If you haven't had a chance to check out some of my past interviews, you know, I have had some amazing guests on my podcast. And I always have to do my own shameless plug, because if you do not promote yourself, no one will promote you. They ain't even gonna hit the like button. So speaking about that, get a chance to tune into some of my past interviews. Like I said, Monday is Spotlight Monday. We will be spotlighting a guest, which will be Mike Fiata, and the second season of Empire DAO. NP. The second season of Empire DAO. He broke it down. He broke down what it's about. And it's an amazing conversation. It's an amazing concept. It's a trendsetter situation. This is something, like I say, tech solve problems, right? You need to solve problems. And he's solving a problem with this. So on that note, make sure you go and just check it out. I confirm that I will be raffling off a Empire DAO desk to some lucky winner within my community of web network. So if you're not in there, I don't know what to tell you, but if you are in there and you have been proactive and engaging, then yes, you will be entered into the raffle to earn yourself your own Empire DAO desk. Moving on. Yes, we are sitting above 60,000. There's been a little pump within the dump, but that is that is life, right? Everything, the sun doesn't come out every day. Some days it shines, some days it don't. Guys, look, this is 100. Look, Solana is 170.30 cents, right? The Empire desk is 1 Solana, okay? So we all have this belief that Solana is going to pump and that desk is going to have a lot of value. So moving on, as we talk about, because I don't want to get into the monotony of just talking about this. Look at my ton token, guys. I hope you have been accumulating some ton, the open network. I talked about this months and months and months, weeks and weeks and weeks, days and days and days. What creates real impact and makes sense, right? It is Friday. You know, Friday is the freeze to me, because it's like all the news and the information freezes within the crypto space. And it is more so about strategizing from the other markets that things are happening to make yours pop off. So that was the amazing thing that I honestly like. It's just like, what did you do last week in your strategy that you didn't do, that you wanted to do this week coming, right? What worked, what didn't work, what changes did you make, what did you find, What did you ape in? What did you not ape in at? You know, this is all the things that you talk and discuss about, right? So, you know, I'm just really trying to get to one place to check out my helium, trading at $6.56. IOTA, 30 cents. Moving on. You know, I like to check out my favorite Twitter friends, and we don't know each other. I just go on his page all the time because he's very informative. Just like how you guys probably tap into my page and watch my videos every day. If I gifted you 100,000 right now, what would you buy for 2025 bull market? BTC, ETH, Solana, Link, XRP, Mana, BNB, ARP, TI, ICP. This is one of my favorites right here. So, I keep seeing Kimbo, guys. I keep seeing Kimbo, guys. I'm gonna have to figure out and do me some due diligence in the Kimbo. I looked at it yesterday as I scrolled through it, but it wasn't for me. But I do see it quite often. Moving on, let's go into my other favorite buddy over here, Crypto Rover. You know, he does our analytics. He's been doing analytics for daily. And I hope that you have been taking the opportunity and this thing has been working for you for some of the stuff that we're talking about within the space, right? Because if you don't know and somebody did it for you, right, and you can check the work, it may work for you. So let's talk about it.
About to be having a massive breakout in the upcoming 24 hours right now. So today I am expecting a big breakout is going to be happening on Bitcoin. And once this big breakout is going to be happening, we are going to be seeing Bitcoin creating that next big move here. And to quickly talk about the price targets, these are going to be actually quite significant breakouts for Bitcoin. Because if we were to be seeing a bullish breakout, and of course a bullish breakout will only get confirmed if we do break the downward sloping resistance line with a confirmed candle close above it. And actually what I want to be seeing as actual confirmation is a break above the previous high as well, because yes, sometimes you can see fake outs where Bitcoin of course break above resistance, but then doesn't break above the previous high and still move downwards. So that is going to be two very important confirmations that I will be looking for on the price action right now. But if we do break bullish from off this point, we are looking for a price target sitting somewhere around 63.8k, which is of course an approximately, let me say this correctly, 9.5% push towards the upside, which is of course quite insane. And if we were to be breaking lower, if Bitcoin were to be breaking below that support, we are heading lower. And of course, once again, if we break lower, I want to be seeing the confirmation below that previous big box of support as the upward sloping support line. And if we do that, we confirm the breakout lower, of course. And yes, I will be looking for a target around $60,000, exactly $60,000. And guys, remember that target, $60,000. I've talked about that level many times before on the channel, because $60,000 is of course not only the 0.382 on the Fibonacci for Bitcoin, but also the $60,000 level would mark a 20% correction for the Bitcoin price action. Because ever since we've been trading in this trend, we have seen of course an approximately 20% corrections as standard in the market, and right now Bitcoin has only created a 17.5% correction. But if we were to be moving down to $60,000 to $58,000, it's going to be in the 20 to 22% region.
How can I express more than understanding that we will have a 20% correction, right? I can't express this anymore. Like you said, this is happening from the past. All the news will scare you. The news will have you thinking, oh my God, it dropped. But like I said, if you came in at 40,000, then you're up. If you had a chance to pull your profits while you was up top and you moved it into gold, then you're still up. If it drops to 60,000, then guess what? You're still up, and it's a sale. That's all I got to say. It's a sale price. So are you aping in on the sale price? None of this stuff that I talk about is financial advice. Just pay attention, listen to someone, does not mean that I am directing you to do what you want to do with your portfolio. I'm just suggesting what I would do with mine as I move into this space. But I like to just be very clear on not financial advice. Moving on.
Which we have seen many times before in this cycle. So if Bitcoin were to be having a breakdown, I am not going to be opening up a trade at all, because what I will be doing if Bitcoin does break down here is that I'm going to start to fill up my long entries here on the lower side, because I will be setting up long entries if Bitcoin is going to be breaking down around $60,000 all the way down to 58,000 US dollars. So I will be interested in opening up a Bitcoin long position in this orange box right here. This is my level where I want to be filling up my positions on Bitcoin, and if I will be doing so, I'm going to be opening up a 10x leverage long position on Bitcoin with an approximately $100,000, and I'm going to be entering first only 20% of my position, around $60,000, then another 40% on 59,000 US dollars, and then my remaining 40% also at 58,000 US dollars. And that way I'm going to be entering $100,000 of my own margin, and with a 10x leverage, it is going to be $1 billion US dollar Bitcoin trade that I am going to be taking here. So this is going to be my strategy right now to be trading Bitcoin. And if you want to be staying up to date about this,
what is your strategy? You see how he broke it down to each portion to where he will go in. What is your strategy? These are the strategies that you create, that you try to catch the bottom and ride it all the way up to the top. And like he said, and it's so funny because people be wanting those answers. How should I go in? At what point should I go in? What percentage should I go in? What should I use my leverage as? He explained it right there, right? Matter of fact, I'm going to back it up. For those who missed it, check it out again.
It is going to be $1 billion US dollar Bitcoin trade that I am going to be taking here. So this is going to be my strategy right now to be trading Bitcoin. And if you want to be staying up to date about this trade, if Bitcoin does break down, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel with the bell notification enabled, because I will be showing you all my steps that I'm going to be taking to be opening up this massive Bitcoin trade right here. Because yes, I am looking to be opening up a gigantic Bitcoin long position on that next 20% correction towards the downside, like I've stated many times before. And while all this is happening, we've actually seen the 4th consecutive day of outflow on the spot Bitcoin ETF. I mean, we can see that this time around, it was definitely the least biggest outflow yet so far. It was 94 million US dollars worth of outflow from the spot Bitcoin ETF. So yeah, this is of course, once again, not a good thing to see here. But in the end of the day, we've seen a lot of inflows. And this is actually for the second side, and actually see that confirmation towards the upside. So what will I be doing at that point? I mean, if we do break above this resistance right here, I'm going to be starting to be looking at long positions on Bitcoin, because that could potentially mark that we are indeed creating an historic pattern right now here. Because last time around at the Bitcoin Ultimate,
sorry guys, I lost a little spot, but I'm not going to drag it on. But rewind the video. Moving on. Bitcoin retest 63,000 despite GBTC outflows dropping below 100,000. This is all the institutional investor shenanigans that we're not going to pay no attention to, because if you paid attention to the strategy, then you shouldn't have no issues. Bitcoin remains overbought despite recent correction. We know there's going to be a recent correction. We're not worried about that because we have strategy in place. Moving on. BlackRock, after Texas withdraw $8.5 billion investment. I know they pissed off about this one.
Contract with BlackRock to manage $8.5 billion of state money. It's all because of BlackRock's ESG policies. The chair of Texas's Board of Education, Aaron Kinsey, joins us now. Great to have you here, Aaron. You administer this fund. Tell me about this move. Why was it taken?
Thank you for having me today, Ashley. So in 2021, the legislature of Texas, both houses passed a law requiring public funds to divest from companies that boycott energy investments. So the comptroller has put together a list over the course of these past few years, and he's updated that several times. And this is in order for us to come in compliance with the law.
Well, that answers that question. So I know BlackRock is going to be shaken up about this, because Texas pulled back, and I know they're going to fight back. Moving on. Pixel crypto game fuse resurgent Ronin blockchain. Ronin, 700% in the past few months. Ronin. Solana mean fuel, as well as ton. Mountain crypto efforts. Ronin. Okay. Ronin Network. Let's check it out. I'm not familiar. You learn something new every day. This is what happens when you explore. Ronin is an EVM blockchain crafted for developers building games with player-owned economies. Interesting. Very interesting. Buy Ron. How to buy Ron. This isn't financial advice. This is just something that I just look at, and I be coming across stuff all the time. Ron ecosystem. Origins, Homeland, Tiny Drift, Axie Champion. Nice little ecosystem, Ronin. Okay, Ron Chap. Where can I buy Ron? On OKX. Let's do it. Y'all know. Y'all already know. Let's go to my Bible. Let's go to the Bible, guys. Let's see. Boom. There you go. Ronin is trading at $3. Okay. Let's see, what dexes do they have this on? Oh, we've seen a bunch of dexes. No, this is the question. How do you feel? Marketers into consolidation phase. BTC drops while ETH gains slightly. Ronin, ICP, and SCX are emergence top gainers in today's section. So if he's a top gainer, okay. This is the day. This is in the day. Okay, let's see it all. It bottomed out at 20 cents. Got up to $4. Twitter, Discord. We're not gonna look at Twitter. Let's look at the white papers today, guys. Living document work in progress can be updated in the future without prior notice. Decentralized is the key aspect of blockchain technology as one of the most prominent forces in innovation. Our goal is to gradually increase the decentralized of Sky Mavis products. Launch. Okay. Maybe. Build. Maybe. Moving on. Potential. Moving on. SBX repeatedly lied to get out of supervillain prison term, FTX CEO alleges. Hey guys, he should get every time down every day that they're going to give him for doing what he did. 5 times lied to reduce sentence. Falsely claimed should get back all their money. Customers should get back all their money. Falsely claimed he could recover more value. Actively worked to hinder recovery of stolen assets. Effectively. So everything was a lie. The guy is a liar. Well, we know he's a liar. This isn't nothing new. It's not like we don't know he's a liar. Look what he did. He's been lying. His whole thing is built off of a lie. The whole thing. Moving on. Phantom FTM is the best performing non-meme token in the past 30 days. Oh, yeah? That's what you guys are saying? Where's my Bible? Where's the Bible? The past 30 days. Let's see. 1 month. Well, in the past 30 days, it did a substantial amount. It went from 40 cents all the way up to $1.18, topped out. Reddit, chat, Twitter, website, GitHub. Decentralized applications again. Do. Earn rewards by locking FTM tokens to secure Phantom. Do. It's another one, potential. Pay attention to these potentials. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything, but just look at some of this stuff and just do your own due diligence. If you figure out it works for you, then hey, it works for you. This is Beyond the Blockchain. We talk about everything that's happening in the blockchain and beyond. Tesla Cybertruck resale market loses all momentum. I've been telling you, I am not and will not buy one of these. I have no interest even driving it. Like, leave me in the BMW port. Oh, guys, I got a story to tell you about Range Rover. Oh, my goodness. I have a story to tell you about Range Rover, but we're going to discuss this. I'm going to do a whole thing about this Range Rover thing. But I can understand that the, resale market sucks. Tesla Cybertruck was getting more than twice their value on the resale market a few weeks ago, but the electric pickup truck has now lost its momentum in terms of resale value. Nobody wants this. Tesla added no resale clause for early VIN Cybertruck, threatened to sue for $50,000 or more, and added to may not sell the sellers any future vehicles. As far as we know, the company hasn't sued anyone yet, but we recently learned that Tesla did blacklist some people who sold or tried to sell their early Cybertrucks. We thought these actions would limit the ability to Cybertruck sales and boost the price. Sure enough, we noticed that an early Cybertruck sold for $244,000 last month, but the prices are now dropping like a rock. Why? You know why? Hold up. Wolf says his company sold 2 Cybertrucks for $195 and $189 2 weeks ago. Last one he sold for $175. He sold one for $171. Hilariously, seller recently posted a video of Mr. Brown safely for his San Francisco 49ers coming to buy one for sale for $230. The reseller came at $220. Brown Business Insider shut the idea down real quick.
Jared Brown?
Sorry to introduce myself.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Play for the 49ers.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
That's
dog,
cool.
My dog Ricky sent me over here and said, I got some Cybertrucks in.
We do, yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I came to see what's up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bro, look, so this guy wore a suit today just to sell a Cybertruck right here. Yeah, he wore a suit today just to sell a Cybertruck.
I know him. I think I did business with him before.
Did you buy a car from us before?
Yeah, I got a car from y'all.
I got to pull it up for you right here. I'm a superstar? I'm just here, man. I'm just in business. That's it. How was it, bro?
Man, look. Come get you a Cybertruck, man.
Let's go.
Come get you a Cybertruck, man. I'm telling you, you talking speed, it's spacious, you talking every kind of camera angle possible. Like, I'm telling you, you put the car in reverse, you got the side view, the right side view, the left side view, the back right side view, it's crazy, man. I'm trying to tell you.
You want to talk numbers?
Yeah, let's talk numbers.
Let's go.
It's you right here?
It's me. Yeah, I'm going to take it. Let's go. You want to pay cash for the thing, or you want to?
How much you'll give me to pay cash for it? I ain't got it all on me right now.
What do you have? Can you do like?
Cash-wise?
Yeah, cash wise. So the truck's $230.
Okay.
What state do you live in?
California.
California. And we're registering the car in California.
I really want to register in Jersey.
So do you have a proof of address in Jersey?
Yeah, I used to live out here.
So you can do Jersey and no sales tax.
And then you just send it out to me, right?
And we can ship it out to you. Yeah. How old are you?
24.
24? Wow, bro.
Yep.
Wow.
Trent Central High School. After I left Trent Central High School, I went to Lackawanna Junior College. From Lackawanna Junior College to Penn State.
We don't want to hear this story. We want to hear you try to zoom down for the price.
And then you went to the NFL?
NFL drafted by the 49ers.
What? Round 3? Yeah. Wow, bro. I'm with a superstar right now.
Man.
That's amazing, bro.
Started with the 49ers as a rookie. 3 interceptions. Picked off Pat Mahomes in the Super Bowl. You know what I mean?
Damn, let's go.
Game changer.
That was a good game, bro.
Yeah, it was a good game.
Yeah, we don't want to hear that. Get to the juice.
Sucks.
Crazy, bro.
Maybe next next year.
Yeah, maybe next year. We'll be back.
Yeah, for sure.
Back for sure.
That's crazy, man. You got a great personality. You're a humble dude.
Who cares? Get to the price.
Truck's $230. How much can you pay now?
How much to walk off with it?
What'd you say?
How much to walk off with it?
To walk off with it?
Yeah.
I can release the car at like 220. And
220 in
yeah,
cash?
and I can like you can wire 220, and then we can collect the 10 grand later from you.
Let me see. Let me make a call. He said for 2 maybe, but
For 200 maybe?
yeah, he said he right now it ain't.
For 200?
Yeah.
Can you for two?
He thinking.
What about 210?
210.
Yeah.
Nope.
I was talking to him. He was like,
210, and you don't have to owe me anything, bro. 210, you don't have to owe me anything. I'm taking care of you, big time. That's the cheapest one in the country right now.
210, and I don't throw you anything.
You don't have to owe me anything. No, 210's the price. That's it.
You want to get that off his lot.
That's the price. Hit him up.
That's my guy.
210, you don't owe me anything. It's just, that's all.
Brother, he says not in the cars right now, brother.
Who's that guy?
That's my FA.
That's your
Guy I
FA?
trust the most.
So what
Take care of all my
what'd he say?
financials. He's saying it's not in the cars right now.
It's not in the cars right now for not even for 2?
No, it's 2.
Oh, okay.
No, he said not in the cars. We ain't gonna risk none.
Okay. So we're not buying it.
Nah,
Okay.
not even gonna buy it. No.
Okay. All right, no problem.
Play around with it.
All right. No problem, bro. I appreciate you coming in.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Always, bro.
Yeah, for 200, and then you see it somewhere for 175. Oh, I will be so upset. 175 last week sold for 175. Early week he sold one for 170, and you pay 2 something. Like they say, there's a sucker born every day, and anybody from me who buys a Tesla truck is a sucker. That's how I feel. It's my personal opinion. Don't take my personal opinion personally, but this is just how I feel. If you want to do a truck, Chevy, Suburban, Tahoe, GMC, a truck, not a cyber truck. What is a cyber truck? That's going to rust and it's going to look like this. I don't want to drive around like I live in, land of the dead. Moving on. Chinese humanoid robot defeats speed record to see the machine in action. I think I played this last week. Nobody's interested in a speed thing with this robot. Yo, if this thing was chasing you, oh my goodness, imagine you walking down the street and you just hear that. Oh my God. Oh no, 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 no. Moving on. Here's some more craziness that we got to pay attention to. Craziness. These is experimenting demo. Robots.
Who's bumper tax season?
I don't know what he's talking about. Robots. What's this? These gun-shooting robot vehicles are the future of urban warfare. Listen. The U.S. military has spent the past months running exercises at various locations in California preparing for a future of war-winning readiness. And the photos are being officially released includes plenty of dog robots. Come on, man. Here you go. Sorry it's so loud. Who's fighting against this? This is a whole video game.
Who's bumper tax season?
This is hold up. This is a whole video game. It's a whole video game. That is a whole video game in real life. In real life with real bullets. That's a video game I don't want to play whatsoever. I don't want to play. I do not want to play. Oh man, on that note, this is the last thing I'm going to talk about. This Monday, I have a special guest coming on Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I have a special guest. There you go. This Monday, give him a round of applause. I have a special guest coming on, Mike Fiata. He will be our guest. We will be talking about the state of the second season of Empire DAO, the past, what's happening in the past, dynamic deaths. So we're going to be talking about all types of things. We're also going to be talking about on-chain conversations, where he talks about everything that's happening on-chain, about the community, what it's building. There's a lot of things that has happened that came out of this space. A lot of babies have been built from here. I have been built from here. This is one of my places. So I'm going to be excited to be a part of this, to have this interview. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to play the commercial again because I've been playing the commercial a few times and I think it's so cool.
Founder of Empire Now. What is Empire Now? Well, we reposition commercial real estate and turn it into vibrant co-working and social spaces. Yeah, co-working and social spaces. Are our spaces any good? No. Our space is great. Each Empire Now space is more than a place to work. It's a shared investment in the future. Tired of your membership lining some billionaires' pockets? With us, your membership builds equity, empowering you, not some executive playing pickleball. I can play pickleball. Wi-Fi and coffee, essential work amenities, plus vibrant social events, demo days, hackathons, art showcases, gaming tournaments. It's where passion meets purpose. Looking good, Scully. So stop paying for static office leases. Our marketplace turns your unused desks and offices into income, whether you're away on business or for leisure. It's not an upgrade, it's a workspace revolution. Dynamic desks.
Absolutely.
Our chip and chain aircraft technology allows you to earn rebates and earn rewards for optional ownership units in the business, just by paying your dues and showing up. When you tap into our chips, you're eligible for rewards from local and global partners. Let's check in with Domingo from Homebase. Domingo, what were you getting before with your desks?
No airdrops.
What are you getting with Empire Now desks?
Airdrops.
I'm no Henry Ford, but our chip and chain technology moves people. Stop thinking about where you're going to sign that lease and start thinking about all the rewards you're going to earn. Welcome to Empire Now. The revolution has just begun.
Yeah.
Attracts of the being.
Up in New York City, I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your